السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. يا شباب، كله سامعني؟
ايوه
ايوه كل سنه.
ايوه
ايوه
تمام. يا رب تكونوا جميعا بخير. الناس طبعا اللي بعتت لي الهوم ورك بشكركم جدا جدا. Really thank you. Guys, I send the homework. I know exactly. يعني it's easy and everybody can do it. And I wish that if you have any question, you send it to me in private WhatsApp. Actually, I tried to explain the lesson last time, but it was I was in a hurry and the time was running and so. Uh, all we have done last session, we were talking about the types of angle of not types of numbers, um, and we were talking about how to add and subtract integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. I just would like to make a brief talk about the types of numbers because I didn't explain it last time in a complete way. Guys, we had the numbers from the beginning, and we said that we're gonna use this number as building blocks of our mathematics course. The first set of numbers that we said, it was natural number, and we said that we knew exactly in primary school how to add natural numbers, adding or subtracting, multiplying or dividing. Later on, we started with the integers, and we said how to add and subtract integers. I just would like to ask: is there anybody here has problem with adding and subtracting integers? Just raise your hand if you have a problem or have issue about adding and subtracting integers. Because this, I think I need to make a special video for this. Do you have any problem with adding and subtracting integers?
No.
Just, if you have problem, just raise your hand. If you have. If not, if everything is okay, don't raise it. خلاص? Okay. So with no problem. And we said about adding and subtracting integer, just about the winning and losing, and create and convert it to money fair, and everything will be right. Calculating integers, and we had some problems, but I got many mistakes in question 2. The correct answer in question 2 is right in chat, please. The correct answer for question 2. This one, I mean. Here, it's only 4. We just need to write 4 because it's how much colder. I said this is 0, and here was -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7. And it was in Berlin, -7 here, and the temperature in Istanbul was -3 already. It's here, and the difference between them is 4 steps. So that's why we need to write 4 as positive number. Okay, this was the mainly problem or mistake that we have. This question, it was the watermark was covering it. It was not correctly done. Here, some of you, right, find the LCM, lowest common multiple for 7 and 9. There is many solution, and there is some people write lots of multiple of 7 and 9 until they reach 63. All what I want to say that if you have one of the numbers is a prime number, so you need to just factorize it. I have 7 is 1 and 7, 9 is 3 and 3, and they are all prime number. So the LCM is 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 7 times 3 times 3, which is 7 times 9, which is 63. Don't forget to write it in the correct place, please. One more issue I wanted to say. Please try to write in يعني in a better handwriting. Try to write, to do your best to improve your handwriting. This is very important. Please use the space provided to manage yourself and to arrange it in like in column or so, to understand, to write in a perfect way. Some you, I think they use the mouse to write. I accept everything, but يعني next time try to use, like, to print the sheet, write it with your hand. I mean, write it by pen. I mean, use the pen to answer, and then scan the homework, send it back. You don't need to do it if you don't have tablet or pencil. Digital pencil. If you don't have it, print the sheet and submit it back to me. Okay, guys? If you have any question, it's not -4, it's 4. Yes, it's 4, is not -4. It's correct. Uh, by the way, I really thank everybody who did the homework. You give me a really nice day when I start to solve or to correct for you, and you help each other. I mean, you send the empty folder for the one who didn't do the homework. You're amazing, guys. Really, I love your session. So, inshallah, be very nice, biiznillah, and everything will be all right. Later on, I will ask if how many students here they are in grade 10. I need to know if you are in grade 10, if you are in year 10, I mean, uh, just I will pass by a vote in our group, just to say I'm in grade 10, year 10, because I need to know how many students they are in year 10 with us in our session now. Because sometimes I told you that I will improve I will put some problem related to year 10 while we are working with the numbers, not to make them lose the time sitting with us here in our course. Okay. Another question was about how to convert from millimeter to meters. Like we said before, we need to set, it's actually it's physics, more physics than mathematics, but we're gonna do it. If we convert the millimeters to centimeters, so we need to multiply the difference between centimeters, millimeters, and meters. 1 meter has 100 centimeters, and 1 centimeters has 10 millimeters. But when I move from here to here, I need to divide. When I move from here to here, I need to multiply. So now I have in millimeters 234 millimeters. I need to move it to meters, so I'm going to divide by 1,000. The second question was how to convert the squared unit. And you can see that this question has only 1 mark, so you need to know it because it's easy. And also, if you would like to convert from 1 centimeter to 1 meter cube to 1 centimeter cube, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. Look, guys, we have here 1 meters is 1 meter. Is how many centimeters? Yeah. 1 meter is 1 meter is 100 centimeter, right? So in order to move from 1 meter squared to centimeter square, I just need to raise this to power 2. So it will be 1 to the 1 raised to power 2 is 1, m squared is equal to, when I raise this also to power 2, will be 10,000 centimeters square. So when I move 1 meter square to centimeter square, it will be equal to 10,000 centimeters square. Here we have the problem that 876 meter squares will be converted into centimeters. So you just need to cross product, and then you will have 8,760,000. All these questions were perfectly done. Here, everybody did it correct. But here we need to use calculator because I said some question it was related to Excel. That's why we can use calculator in Excel. That's why it's possible to use it. Again, LCM and HCF, I know that everybody did it correctly, and this is fine, no problem. But I want to show you a really nice method to find the HCF and LCM directly. What we call it double column factorization. I saw some guys here. They practiced it and they said that okay, we know it, and they did the problems. They solved the problems using double column factorization. If you know it, just raise your hand. Raise your hand. I do it by tree method, no problem. Yeah, it's just new method, new
I
way.
use it
They
by
make,
both.
Sir, can I
yeah, you can do it. You know how to
can
do it,
I
right?
yeah, you first put put the columns, then you put the prime, you divide it by the prime numbers, right?
Yeah, it's correct. I'm gonna show you. Look, we have this method. We call it double column factorization, and this I think it will make it easy for you to calculate it. Guys, the prime number that we know, the only prime number we have is the only even prime number is 2, and then we have 3, 5, 7, and so on. These are the prime factors. So I'm gonna start with 2 dividing by 2 because both 30 and 80 they are even numbers. So I'm gonna divide by 2 both of them. But imagine that I have only 30. Don't look at 80 now. So I'm gonna do it like 30 divided by 2 is 15, 80 divided by 2 is 20. 20 and 15, they are divisible by 5.
Mr.
It's not
40,
3, 5, so it'd be
20,
5. Here would be
40,
3 and 4. Then you close
Sir,
this.
40 not 20.
40, 40.
40 not 20.
Sorry, 40. Sorry. Oh, excuse me. You are really helpful. Thanks a lot. Sorry. That will be 40. 15 and 40 would be divisible by 5. That will be 3, and that will be 8. If I can see that 3 and 8, they have not any common factor between. So this part, I will call it HCF, right? This part is like LCM. So L is like this. So I'm going to take all these numbers as LCM. So if I ask you about HCF only, you're going to multiply 2 by 5, that will be 10. And if I ask you about find LCM for these two numbers, I'm going to multiply 2 times 5 times 3 times 8. It will be 240, right?
Mr. Our teacher in our school said that we will complete. If we want the LCM, we will complete. So 3, it will be 1, and then 2, it will be 4, and then 2, and then 2.
Look, my dear, in mathematics, there is no only one method. There is many methods and we need to learn it. Your teacher means that we need to reach one. And this I don't want to do it now. It's not important for me because I'm not asking about the prime factors only. I am asking only LCM. Do you know it or not? I know it. So if I just go on here, be 2 times 2 times 2, what the benefit? I need LCM as a one number. So it's better to do like this or to complete as you wish. But it in mathematics, we don't say that this is better than this or this is the only way to solve it. No, we always find the easiest way, and as long as it's correct method, you will have the correct answer.
Okay, thanks.
Guys, who will help me for this method? Because I know that you are excellent and you're gonna help me a lot. Ah,
Can I?
48 and 180 using column factorization. Yes, who will help me?
First thing divided by 2.
Could I?
Why Ahmed is request you to stop? I respect you all, guys. I really like to be with you out of my heart. All what I wish from you, not to bother my session or to make something that I really don't understand. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay,
Mr.
so
Kanal,
yes.
can I solve?
Can you raise your hand, your name? Can you say your name?
My name
Say
is
Eh?
Omar.
Your name is?
Omar.
Okay, Omar. What you'd like to be, Omar?
A pilot.
So, pilot Omar, we're gonna explain for us this question. Yalla, we will fly now.
The first thing divided by 2.
Yeah, because they are even number,
Yeah.
so they are even number. We're gonna start dividing by 2 as a first prime factor. Yes, sir. Huh?
48 divided by 2 equal 24.
180 divided by 2.
Equal 24. 180 equal 90.
Yes. It's still even number, so I'm gonna still use 2. Can you use 2 again?
Okay. 24 divided by 2 equal 12. And 2
Yeah.
divided by 90 equal 45.
Excellent. Now, guys, I have one odd number and one even number. Can I go using 2? I go on using 2?
No.
No. I'm gonna look the next prime factor. What the next prime factor that both numbers are divided?
3.
3. Very good. I'm gonna use 3, huh?
Okay.
Tw
3 divided by 12 equals 4.
12 divided by 3 is 4. 45 divided by 3.
15.
Excellent. Now I have 4 and 15. Is there any common factor between them?
No.
So I'm gonna take a line. Here will be the HCF, and all these numbers will be the LCM.
LCM.
So now we are looking for lowest common multiple. So I'm gonna be multiply 2 by 2 by 3 by 4 by 15, and that's it.
Which is
Okay?
equal. Yeah.
Okay, now can you multiply it quickly, fast and neat?
12 multiplied by 4
710.
equal.
Wow, mashallah. Excellent.
Okay.
Guys, I prefer to multiply it mentally than to use any calculator. How to
Mister,
multiply?
it's the answer is 320, not 700.
No, I think it's 720.
I was gonna try it again. 12 multiplied by 4.
Yes,
It's correct.
Yes, 120.
48 times 15 equals 720.
720 يا مستر 720
Guys, can you please tell me where is the mistake? It's only multiplying.
No,
I
Mister, they were confused.
Yeah, okay. Now 4 times 15 is
60.
60.
60, and 4 times 4 times 3 is
12.
12.
Uh,
Just put the 0. 6 times 12 is 72. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. That was all about my new method. I really appreciate that the people did the normal way. The normal way was correctly done. I didn't mention that it's wrong. You need to have to make column factorization for 48, like 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. You reach 1, and then 180. Can you tell me which one is easier? Which method is easier?
Yours
double
is
First
column.
method.
Double column.
Yeah, I think this one, I think. But if you still keeping this and you do it correctly, you're most welcome. I can't say mathematics has only one way of solution. Someone raise a hand. Is there any problem?
No, no,
Can you
I'm
say?
still reason it from the last time.
Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, guys, I love you all. Really, you're fantastic. Um, خلاص, that was exactly the same. If you have two, three numbers, it's always easy to factorize. Any issue about factorization?
No,
No.
teacher.
No.
No. Okay. Now we're gonna move on for the order of operations. Do you remember, guys, order of operation?
Yes, Mister.
We have
BIDMAS
order of
أو
operation
BIDMAS أو أيا كان.
BODMAS or
Yes.
PEMDAS or PIDMAS, as you like. It's we need just write it bracket to refer to brackets or parentheses, as you call it. Brackets is always is like this is bracket and this is parentheses. So whatever you use, it's correct for bracket. Yani everybody know it. It's just between you and yourself. You know it. Brackets or exponent or index or uh, power is all the same. Division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, right? So some
Right.
guys, we're gonna write it like this: pem dash, pem dash. It's also correct. It's a bracket, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, uh, subtraction. Addition, subtraction. They are all correct, no problem at all, right? So don't confuse the digit. The most important for me to know that, guys, if I have what comes in the left
Question.
first,
From left to right.
no, from the left. يعني if I have M first and D second, it will be fantastic. I'm gonna start with multiplication. If I have D before the M, like here, it's also possible. For multiplication and division, what comes in the left first, it's correct. For addition, subtraction too, what
Mister.
comes in the left first, we can start with. But
Mister.
we can't confuse the addition and subtraction before, or operate the addition and subtraction before the multiplication and division. So
Yeah.
please, yes, sir.
Mister, can I ask you? This answer is wrong in the first one.
Which one?
In question 1, the answer is wrong.
Can you say it again, please? Which answer? I didn't answer it. It was someone. There was
Uh,
someone. Okay, can you help me, please?
yeah. The first thing you make a subtract 12 from 4 because it's in the bracket. Then you multiply it by 3, which is equal 12.
Can you
And
calculate it, please? This 2 to the power 3 plus 3. 12 minus 4 is?
8.
Okay, now there is exponent and there is multiplication. Can you expand it?
Yeah, equal 8. 8 plus 24 equal. No, it's not 24. Oh,
3
yeah,
times 8.
yeah, it's 24. It's 24. Sorry. Which is equal 32.
Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, guys, we're gonna start. We always keep in mind when you calculate, you need to keep in mind either by mathematics, algebra, or numerical values. It's all about how to use the BIDMAS to follow to follow the instruction of BIDMAS or PEMDAS, whatever you call it. You know, the way that you keep it in your mind. Because I
Yeah.
heard some people write it like a PED. No, PEMDAS, PEDMAS كده. Don't be confused. It's just about arrangement. Okay? Just about arrangement. Don't worry about the name itself. Because it can be power or can be parentheses, it can be exponent. As a teacher pronounce it, and we have different cultures. Okay. Today's lesson is about the fractions. And I love fractions so much because it makes us easy to calculate the things that we have in hand. And always fraction, it's practically everybody like chocolate. So if I have a bar of chocolate and cut it into parts, this will be kind or type of fraction. Decimal is another system of calculating fraction. And by the way, decimal was in the beginning it was Indian method, and then after the Arabian al-Khwarizmi mathematician invest in the method and correct it and put it for us right now. So in the end, decimal and fraction, they are both methods to help us to live our life. And again, please convert everything in addition and subtraction for numbers, for fraction, for decimal to a real life situation. When I talk about fraction, it's a part of one, a part of one. So imagine that we have a chocolate bar and it has 4 parts. So for me, this is one part, one whole one number, one. I cut it into parts. So this is 1/4, another one, a third one, and the fourth one. Because we have 4/4 is 1. So please convert everything in fraction to things that you like. Okay? This is one point. The other point, we have equivalent fraction. Again, we said that we have fraction is a part of one. If I take part like half of this and I compare it with half of this, so what you can see that 2/4 from here, because I have 1/4 plus 1/4, the normal way we have a common denominator. So it's easy to calculate it as 2 parts/4. Here is one part. This is half of this, another half. And we can see that 2/4 exactly is equal to a part of half of 1. So we have here 2/4 is equal to half. Is it correct? Can you see what I mean? This part is 2/4 is equal to half, right? This what we call it equivalent fraction. And how to build equivalent fraction? We always build it by multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Imagine if I have here half and multiply it by 10 and 2 again multiplied by 10. So I have 10/20 and it's still half is equal to half. So please, once you have problem in a fraction, imagine in your mind and use your mental math to imagine this part of the question. When I add them, yes. When I just find equivalent fraction, I need to multiply up and down numerator and denominator by the same number. If I just multiply here by 8 and here by 8, so I'm gonna have 24 over 48. And this is also still half, right? So you need to understand that if we would like to change the fraction into a specific number, you need to multiply up and down by the same number, and then you will have equivalent fraction. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes.
Clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's
Okay. This about simplifying fraction.
So what
Our
about
equivalent,
squaring fraction?
equivalent fraction. Yes, sir?
What about squaring fraction?
Squaring fraction.
Yes, sir.
What about squaring fraction? We don't need to square. We need just multiply up and down by the same number.
No, I meant will we take squaring fraction?
Give me example, please.
Like 24, like 1 over 2 in a bracket, and then square.
Yeah, you need to. This is a power rule. Inshallah, we're gonna discuss it in this session. Also, the power rules we'll have it. If we have 1 over 2 raised to the power 2, it means 1 raised to the power 2 and 2 raised to the power 2. Easy way to write 1 over 4. And this, inshallah, will explain it in the power form, power rules. We'll have it, inshallah. So the first thing in fraction, to know the modeling of fraction, this we call it modeling, to draw as a part of one and to do your business. The first thing that we learn now is the equivalent fraction. Now we're gonna do the simplifying fraction. As long as we can multiply up and down by a whole number and then find equivalent fraction, also we can divide the numerator and denominator by the same number to have a reduction, a simplified fraction to make it simplify. More and more I can simplify. Divide by 10 would be 8. Divide by 10 will be 10. I can also simplify it more. I can simplify it more and more, and then divide by 2 and divide. So simplifying fraction is about dividing up and down, or numerator and denominator, by the same number, and that is the opposite of it, to find equivalent fraction. Is there any problem? Is there any
No.
problem for simplifying fraction? Okay, fine.
No.
The third point in fraction, I want to do all the operation. How to find out the operation, or how to do all the operation like we have done with the whole number and integer and whatever. We're gonna do again with the fractions. How to do the operation, the main operation with the fraction. First two operations that we need to learn is the addition and subtraction. Again, if we would like to add 2 parts of a bar of chocolate, we don't use to have immediately equivalent fraction, equal denominator. I want common denominator. No, but think about it like you add a half of this part to 1/4 of this part. I wanna add 1/4 and 1/2. Just imagine it exactly like I'm doing it with you now. I want to add this half part to this quarter. Mentally and logically, I can't, because this has a bigger shape and this is smaller shape. So I need to cut this into 2 parts. So I will cut all the shape into 4 parts. So this part is 2 over 4, and this part is 1 over 4. Then I have common denominator, that will be 3 over 4. This is what I want you to learn mentally, to imagine why we need to convert the denominator of half and 1/4, why I need to convert this number to the LCM. right? The LCM will be 4, so I'll write here 4, then I multiply this by 2, and then we will have to add 1/4. This will be 3/4. That's why we need to learn how to find LCM for the denominator. But if you do it mentally, it will be much easier than to think about what is the LCM for the denominator, how I can find it, and so on, right? Time. This is to imagine. Put this part in your mind always when you add a fraction. But what about if the numbers are really hard, like 8 and 5? Do I do the method of modeling? No. We're gonna find another way to do it easier, and it's acceptable in IG, and it's brand new. So I'm gonna use it, and I call it, like I always like to call it, it's a happy face. Happy face. How to use this? Look, guys, we need to subtract this 7/8 minus 1/5. Look what I'm doing. I'm going to do right now. Look. I'm gonna multiply the denominator by the denominator. What is 8 times 5?
40.
40. And then I'm gonna multiply from down to up. 5 times 7 will be
35.
35. And then I'm doing subtraction operation. I'm gonna write the sign. And
Minus
then
8.
multiply again. From 8
8.
times 1 is 8. And that will be immediately 40. And 35 minus 8.
27.
Yeah, great. You're fine, huh? 27. Fast. And just leave it like this. Thank you. So this is a new method, and we call it happy face. Some guys will tell me, okay, but I used to have it like to correct the common denominator. To have a common denominator, and then we subtract. It's correct, it's fine, it's 100% correct, but I always try to find for you an easy way to calculate quickly, fast, and neat correctly. Can I do another one, please, in this way, in the same method?
Mister,
Yes, sir.
Mister, we use Mister, the method, like the cross method for making the denominators the same, like in addition and subtracting.
So did you use it or not?
Yeah, I use it.
So what is the problem? Is it correct? Is it fine for you?
Yeah, Mister, is there any faster method than this, or this is the fastest?
Wallahi, for me, it's the fastest, and that's why I always ask my students to do it, because this method, by the way, we're gonna use it urgently for adding and subtracting algebraic fraction. Later on, we have a big lesson called algebraic fraction, and we need to use it.
Okay, thank you.
So I'm gonna do another one quickly for this. If you're happy with it, you are welcome. If you are not happy, just keep your way, and your method is correct. I try to help you to find the easiest way to add or subtract. I have 3/4 plus 5/7. So all what
Can
I
I
need
answer?
you using happy face, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna solve it using happy face. How we call it? Happy.
Happy face. Happy face. Can I answer?
Because mathematics is all about happiness. Mathematics means happiness.
Could I
In
answer?
other words.
Mr. Can I answer?
Yes, sir. Go on. What's your name?
Salma.
What's your name?
Salma.
Salma. What you would like to be a Salma?
Huh?
What you wish to be in the future?
A surgeon.
Wow, mashallah. Okay.
Thank you.
Dr. Salma, we're gonna explain it for us. Yalla, Dr. Salma.
Okay.
اكتب ايه
Yes, huh?
Okay. So I think the denominator is like 4 times 7, firstly.
Yes.
Okay. Then
4
7
times
times
7 is?
4 times 7. Wait.
Convert
Sorry,
it
Miss.
to
I'm really
money.
bad at I'm very bad at calculations. I'm very sorry.
No, you need to be good in calculation, but use your mind. Please don't imagine that it's your mistake. It's the mistake of nowadays life. Use your mind. I have 4 sevens. 7, 7, 7, and 7. They are 14 and they are 14. If you add them up, will be 28. Don't say that I'm bad in calculation because you don't invest in using your mental math.
Okay.
I calculated very fast, though. Huh?
Okay. So 4 times 7 equals 28.
Yeah, the cross
Okay.
product.
Okay. So, and wait. 7 times 3 equals 7 times 3 equals 21, plus it's gonna be 5 times 4, 20. So we're gonna add the denominator together, so it's gonna be 41 over 28.
Excellent. MashaAllah. Clap your hands. Thanks a lot. Great. Keep it up. Yalla, shabab. We're gonna do another one in for subtraction. Who's gonna help me?
Can I?
Can I answer?
Me.
Can I answer?
Yes,
Me.
me can I answer
Okay,
answer?
wait.
can I answer please
Me, please.
We have here
can I answer
Mr. Muhammad Ahmed.
Yes, Mister.
Yeah, can you please go on? Help me.
Okay, Mister, of course.
Yes, sir. Go ahead. If we have 7 over 9 minus 3 over 5.
Okay, first of all, we should multiply 9 times 5.
Yeah.
Equal, it will be 45.
MashaAllah. Yes.
Then 5 times 7 equal 35.
Learned.
Minus 3
Yes.
times 9 equal 27.
3 times the 9 is?
27.
Yes, sir. 35 minus 27 is?
8 over
Excellent.
45.
Bravo, Ahmed. Ahmed, what you would like to be in the future, inshallah?
Mister, my name is Muhammad.
Yeah, Muhammad. What would you like to be in the future?
Engineer.
اوكي يا باشمهندس محمد شرفتنا السوايا دول.
Thank you, Mister.
For me now guys, adding and subtraction and subtracting, is there any problem?
No.
Either to use
No,
the method of common denominator or to use my new method, which is happy face, like you are happy guys. I'm happy with you, so we'll call it happy face, right?
Okay.
Okay, great. Now, what other operation that we love to do with math with fraction? Multiplication, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, multiplication. What is how to multiply two fraction? It's very easy.
we
Just
multiply
multiply
the
the
numerator
numerators,
and we multiply
multiply the
the
denominator, and that's it. Shukran. Nothing else. But look at Mr. Yasser when he asks you to do the easiest way. We also guys, we need to think before we start to multiply. This for you, but to plan your answer. Like I imagine that you are very smart guys and well arranged minded. Please, guys, try to plan your answer. If I say to you 2 over 16 multiply by 24 over 18, and I
we
ask
must
you to multiply,
simplify
and
the
I ask you
fractions to be much
multiply,
more easy
everybody can be easy for you to
28
directly multiply the numerator and the denominator, multiply the two numerators and multiply the denominators, and it takes long time. You make
Simplify
it
by
hard for
crossing.
you.
Simplify and then
What we
multiply.
are going to do now, guys, we're going to simplify first before we start to do the multiplication. That's why I told you you need to use your mind. Don't make it hard for yourself. Use your mind. Okay, who will help me?
Can I
Can I answer? Can we answer?
Can
I
I
answer?
Can I?
Said.
Maya Sam, can I?
Uh-huh.
Mr.
I
Can
need someone to help.
I can do
Maya
it.
Sam,
Answer.
can I?
There is an appropriate message.
There is
Can
a
I
copy, there is lots
Can
of
I, Maya
methods, but
Sam?
we use always the easy way.
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay,
Sir?
can you do it? No, listen, guys. Can you do it and give me answer immediately now?
Okay.
Yes,
Could you please get the question
can I,
one more time?
sir? Maya?
to
I'm gonna get copy.
Mr. What was the question?
I'm sure.
24 over what?
Where is the question? I can't find the question, Mr.
Sir,
Mr.
Yes.
do the
I can't find the question. Where is it?
It was 2 over 16 and 24 over what?
And 24 over what?
18.
Okay, thank you.
Mister, I found the answer.
Okay.
I forgot the question.
Mr. What's the question?
Oh. مش عارف فين والله استني. Here's the question.
Okay.
Mister, can I answer?
Okay, sure. What's your name?
Ahmed.
يا دكتور أحمد. ثانية واحدة بس.
Mister, I'm not.
Sir,
Wait,
can I
wait.
answer? Can I
ثانية
answer?
بس. أحمد, can
Yes.
you?
Yes, Mister.
Okay.
Could I?
يلا يا أحمد.
Can I answer?
Mister,
Can I answer?
24, 2 multiply 24,
Yes.
it will be 48.
Yes.
Divide 16 multiply 18, it's gonna be 288. Then when you, if you want like the simplest form, it's gonna be, I think, 1 over 6.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Mister,
It was
can I
really
see
nice
the
for you,
easy
but
way?
listen to me.
I know
Listen to
to
me.
use it by
Yeah, there is an easy
Can
way.
you do it without calculator, please? I didn't ask you to do it with calculator.
Can I
And
answer?
I told you,
I answered
I
without
need it.
calculator.
Can I?
Yes, Mister, you can like simplify it, make 2
Can I
divided
answer?
2, it's gonna be
Can I?
1. Then 16 divided
Can
2, it's
I?
gonna be 8.
طب أحمد بس أحمد معايا أحمد.
Yes.
ممكن تهلب مي يا حبيبي عشان أنا عارف اللي أنت قلته ده حلو أوي وش زي الفل والله ما فيش أي مشكلة. بس كده you make math hard for you. طيب how to
Why?
solve it بقى يا أحمد. I want you to simplify each fraction first as much as you can. Can you do that? Or
To
you can simplify it, either the fraction itself you simplify it, or you can simplify
By crossing.
by crossing, but only crossing this or up and down. Can you
Okay.
simplify it is as much as you can, ya Ahmed?
okay, I will try.
Yeah, do your best, please.
I will make the 2 and 16 first. I think it's gonna be 1 over 8.
Yeah, that would be 1 over 8. جميل. Divide by 2
multiply
1, divide by 2 فيها 8. Okay, 1 over 8. Multiply ها.
multiply weight.
Again, you make.
4 over 3.
4 over 3.
Okay,
4 over 3.
the highest common factor between 18 and 24 is 6, so I'm gonna divide by 6, it will be 4,
Over 3.
and this will be 3, that will be 4 over 3. Very good. Still another factor, another simplifying, huh? 4 and
Now
8. Divide by 4, 1. Divide by 4,
for 32.
2. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Thank you. Which
Sir,
one is easier?
I have
To
question.
Yes, sir.
Can
For me, Mister, I think first one.
No, the second one is easier.
yes, you can.
No, first one
You
because
think can I
it's
ask my question, sir?
multiplication. All you have to do is just multiply
The second one is so
16 by.
complex.
Yeah,
Mister,
someone has a
maybe,
question. Raise your hand, please, if you have
yeah,
question.
Mister,
Yes,
Mister, I have a question.
yes, sir.
Yes.
My Sam. So I did the steps of simplifying, and then I just multiplied the numerator and denominator with it, and then I simplified the answer. Is that okay?
The final answer is 1/6.
Yeah, I got 1/6, but I made one step
Yeah, I can solve
more
it with 10 times,
or
10
extra.
different ways. The end is 1/6. As long as the end is 1/6, then it's correct.
Yes,
And thank you guys for your cooperation. But really, you- I rather to simplify more than to increase the problem and then try to find the division. And you say that it's really hard. I can't divide this such a big number. It's easier way to simplify by elimination, to eliminate the common factors between the things. Okay. Last thing for this is the division. I told you it's here. If there is any common factor, it's much better than to make it bigger for you and then you divide. It's such like this. It was method, old method, and it create lots of trouble. But if you happy with it, it's welcome. You are welcome and no problem at all. For me to solve such a problem, for me to solve such a problem, I just try to find out if there is a common. Yeah, here it's this one. For this one, for me, I try to find if there is common factors or not. Divide by 5 is 1. Divide by 5 is 4. Now I have 24 divided by 6 times 4 is 24. Divided by 3 is 8. And this is the answer, easy and fast. Easy and fast. Because there is one complete paper in Cambridge without calculator. So don't imagine that it's such easy problem to calculate. You need to learn how the easiest way, the easiest method to work with it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Another topic for the fraction, guys, is the mixed number. Can you see this question? Question, for example, 1 and 1/5 times 6 and 2/3. How we call this number is a mixed number. It's exactly
I
for
will.
me. It looks like when you have a new television and you know from the books that it's television, but you can't use it like to listen movies or to watch whatever program you like. But it's a television inside a box. In order to unpack it and to use it, to be able to use it, you need to unpack it, right? So how to unpack this?
I know. Can I answer?
Can
Yes.
I answer?
Okay.
I know,
I'll
mister.
just
Can
say
I?
it quickly. Okay.
1 multiplied by 5.
No.
Then
First,
multiply.
listen to me. Look at me first, and then I will ask you to convert the second one. Guys, if I have mixed number, first I'm gonna write the denominator. This is the most important for me. This 5, I wrote it here like this. So what I miss now, I need to write a number here in this place. How to find this number? We just multiply the denominator by 1 and then add 1. So I'm gonna 1 times 5 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Multiply by, huh? Who will help me for the second one?
Can I, Mister?
Say,
Can we answer? 20 over 3.
Can I?
could you,
Happy
could you
and
use
no,
the right
raise your
division?
hand.
20 over 3. 20 over
انجينير استنى بس استنى انجينير مين؟ انجينير احمد.
Can
Yes, sir.
we answer?
انجينير احمد اتفضل.
Yes.
Yeah, but it's 20 over 3.
ها.
Can I see the question?
Yes, here.
Okay.
What first number I need to write?
3.
6 multiplied by 3.
What
The
number
down will be 3. Down will be 3.
Yeah,
The
this is
numerator
the
will be
most
3.
important. Yes, huh? 3
Then
times
the
6.
denominator 6 multiplied by 3, which equal not no 12.
6
18
times 3.
plus 2
18.
20. 20.
18 plus 2 is 20. Thank you. So, is there any possible to eliminate?
No.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, yes.
Yes.
So, what you would like to eliminate?
120 over 15.
Good.
We
1 divided by
can
3.
say 3 with
2.
1 and 6, and it will be 2. And
5
5
over 15,
5
then we are
1
going
and
to
the 20 will be 10.
No,
20 will
please.
be 4. Sorry.
Ahmed, just raise your voice. Please let Ahmed to answer. 2
Okay.
times 4 is?
2 times 4 equal 8.
And 1 times 1
And
is
will be 1,
so
so
B.
equals 4, 8.
Thanks a lot. And that's it for the mixed number. The last, but not the last of this session, inshallah, we're going to have the the division. I love the division actually, and I wish, Ahmed, put your hands down. Everybody put your hand down, please. Because I love division, so I want you also to love it, because division is one of the most important topics in our life for adding, subtracting, and multiplying and division. Division is easy as long as you know how to handle it. Okay? So, how to divide any fraction? By the rule of let,
KTF.
change, and flip. Let, change, and flip. We're gonna let the first fraction change the sign to multiplication, and then
we are going
upside
to flip
down
the other
upside
fraction.
down, or to find the reciprocal of the second part. By the way, guys, this is a divisor, and we're gonna find the quotient. We're gonna find the quotient. So what we're gonna do now, I let the 3 over x as it is, convert the division to multiplication, and then upside down the second fraction, which is 7 over 1. Now, is there any common factor that we cancel between the two fractions? Yes. I have 7, so I'm going to divide it by 7 is 1, divide by 7 is 1. So 1 times 3 is 3, and 1 times 1 is 1. 3 over 1 means 3.
3.
So, if we do the same for the mixed number, we said about, what did we say about mixed number?
Can I answer it? Can I answer? Can I answer?
What did we say about mixed number?
Can I answer, please?
Yes, sure. What's your name?
Transfer it to improper fraction.
Yeah. Mixed number always converted to improper fraction is because it's exactly like you buy a new television. It's still in the box, and you can't at all use it without opening or unpack it, right? Right.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna choose. Raise your hand.
answer,
If you're
please?
happy and no, raise your
Can we
hand.
answer? Can we answer, please?
If you're happy and no, raise your hand.
Me.
La, raise your hand.
Can I answer? I want to answer, please.
No, I'm choosing from chat. Please raise your hand.
Yeah, but I can't. I don't know why. Yeah, I raised my hand. I raised my hand.
Yusuf answer.
I can't
Sorry,
raise up
can
my
I
hand.
answer?
Please, I want to answer, please.
Mr. Can I?
Where you raise your hands, guys? Oh, yeah, it's here. Okay. So now, because nobody write his profession, what I said to you before, please write your profession, what you wish in the engineer,
مستر طب
engineer,
I don't know يا مستر.
غير اسمي ازاي اهو.
Dr. Omar
مستر
Saad.
مستر طب what if I don't know what I want to be?
Yeah?
What if I don't know what I want to be?
Can you raise your voice, please, again?
What if I don't know what I want to be?
That will be a big problem. And that means that you don't have hope for the future, you don't have plans. And please try to understand. A human being without plans, you need to plan your future. A human being
لا
without plan is not nice.
no مستر I
Mister,
mean إيه
could you return up?
when I مستر
Can
what
we
I mean
answer?
when
I don't answer at all.
Mister, I'm here, the engineer.
We are here.
Okay. No, I said
No, Mister.
Engineer
No,
Omar.
no.
Fin Engineer Omar.
I'm
Oh,
before
Dr. Omar,
him.
sorry. Dr. Omar. Okay.
Mister, we didn't answer at all. Can I answer, please?
I'm before him, and I wrote my.
والله أنا قايل دكتور عمر يا جماعة. I choose from the إن شاء الله you will do again. You will do. Don't worry. You will do. Step by step إن شاء الله we're gonna practice.
Mister, can
ها يلا يا دكتور عمر.
Doctor.
لا
Maybe he didn't want.
he's
No,
not here.
Mister,
Okay.
me.
طيب I have Dr.
Can I answer?
Ibrahim.
Can I answer?
Dr. Ibrahim.
Yes,
Dr. Ibrahim.
Please, can we answer? Answer.
yes, I'm here.
Okay يلا
We
can you
didn't
help me
answer at all,
please?
by the way.
Yes, I will help you.
Yes.
First semester, we will multiply 4 by 5 will give us 20.
لا
And
يا
then we
Ibrahim, we said first we need to follow my instruction, not to do any mistake. What number I need to write in the denominator first?
5.
Okay, thank you. Now.
Mister,
And then 4 multiply 5, which is 20, and then we will add 4, 24.
Great. Divide by,
We will write 15 down.
Yes.
And then 16 over 15.
16. 1 times
Over
15
15.
is 15 plus 1 is 16. Okay, now
We will
let it change
flip
flip.
the sign, and we will flip and change the sign.
Okay. So that will be the same. We don't change it. 24 over 5.
24
Multiplied
over
by
5 multiply 15 over 16.
15 over 16.
We will simplify Mr. further by cancelling the 5 and 15 by 15 to be 3.
Excellent. ما شاء الله. ماشي الميثود ده هو divide by 5 is 1, divide by 5 3. Yes.
And we cancel the 24 and the 16 by simplifying it more.
Yes, by
16 divided by 4, it can be 4. لا, we can divide 16 by 8 to be 2.
Excellent. This is the highest common factor, which is 8 divided by 8 is 2. Divided by 8 is 3. So what we have now?
3 multiply 3 is 9.
Yes.
Over 2, or we can write it as 4. Wait.
9
4,
pounds divided by 2, or $9 divided by 2 is 4 and a
4
half.
and half. 4 and 1
Right.
over 2.
Thanks a lot. It was very nice to be with you guys. Inshallah, next time we'll see the decimals.
Excuse me.
We have
Will there be homework
such
today?
kind
Will
of
there be
problems
homework?
here. We have
Can you
lots
tell us
of
people why you
problems.
became improper
Yeah?
Is there
action?
going to be homework?
Yeah, you see, this is the homework what I'm doing. I'm showing you now. We have lots of problem here. Can you do it, please, as homework? Inshallah, gonna see it next time.
Mister,
Yes,
are you
sir.
going to send it?
Mister,
I'm
I
gonna
have a
send it,
question.
yes. Sure.
Okay.
Mister, I have
Can
a
you
question, but it's out of this.
طيب
of
يلا
this
حبيبي قولوا بسرعة. ايه الكويشن؟ ايه الكويشن؟
On the exam, I mean, on the exam, will we explain how this answer is get out? We get this answer?
Yeah. In IG means show all you're working.
Yeah, but
All.
explain with words or just with numbers?
Eh?
When I want to explain my answer, should I
we
explain
finished,
it
sir.
with word or with numbers?
No, like I told you in the presentation, there is the exam now. The exam paper, there is enough place for you to answer. No problem at all.
Yeah,
Mister,
but sometimes they say to you, explain how this is get like that.
No, can you raise your voice, please?
Yeah, sometimes they say to you, just explain how you get this number.
Yeah, explain it. Explain
Should
it
I
in
explain
words.
in words?
Explain it in words. Like the question was here is 2.65. Show that it's between 4 and 5.
Yeah,
You
I know that.
remember?
Yeah, I remembered, so that's why I asked you.
Yeah, you need to explain it in to write just as much as little words as you can, and يعني try to make it easy for you, easy English as much as you can. For example, here it was the question of yeah, here. Without using calculator, explain why the square of 4.86 is between 16 and 25. Without using calculator, I for it's accepted that you write just here 4.86 is between two numbers, which is 4 and the other one is 5. So the square of this number means the square of this number means the square of this number, and this is 16, and here is 4.86 square. You don't need to expand it, and this is 25, and this correct method. This we call it proving by deduction. You just you show the examiner that you did it, or you just say because it lies between 4 and 16, and the square of this number is lies between 16 and 25, since the number itself is between 4 and 5, and you explain a lot, but it has only one mark. So
I
this
will
is
try to
correct
practice.
method.
I will try to practice more.
Yes.
Mister,
Okay.
can you
Yes.
tell me how to convert the improper fraction into a mixed number? Because I really don't know how.
Say it again,
From
please. How
from
to
improper
convert?
from improper fraction into mixed number.
Time. How to convert to improper fraction to mixed number? We're going to do division. Like when I say 24 divided by 5. We just do division or long division as you imagine. Yeah. If I say how many fives are there in 24 is 4 fives, and the rest is 4,
One. Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
So you just do long division. If you don't know how to use the mental math, do long division. 24 divided by 5. 24 divided by how many fives are there in 24 is
Okay,
4.
then
4 times
the
5 will be 20. Subtract will be 4. This is the remainder, and the remainder will be over the divisor. So it will be 4 and 4 over 5.
the remainder will be the denominator or the numerator.
Here will be, this is the numerator, this is the numerator, and this will be the denominator, and this is the quotient, the whole number.
Okay.
Okay? Can you do this one quickly?
Okay.
Yeah.
We by a long division we're gonna make how many 7 36 36.
How many sevens are there in 35? 36.
Okay.
Is it correct?
Yes, Mister.
Or you
Or you can divide long
divide
division. 36 divided by 7
Divided
is
by
5. 5 is
Five.
35. The remainder is 1. This is remainder. That would be numerator. That would be denominator. And that will be the quotient of the whole number. Okay? Thanks a lot, guys. I wish that you
Welcome.
liked my session. I love you all,
Yes,
inshallah.
it was wonderful.
I'm waiting for you, inshallah, next Saturday.
Thank you.
All respect,
Yeah.
take care, and be happy studying mathematics. Goodbye. I wish you a good rest, inshallah, of the day.
Oh,
Okay.
all right.
Bye.
Thank
Assalamu
you, sir.
alaikum.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye
Bye.
bye. Bye.
Accept.